Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm gonna show you how I painted these small rocks. I hope you like the video. I started by giving the first coat of the orange paint, and for this one I let it dry for a couple of minutes and then do the second coat so it will look really bright and nice, the orange. I use acrylic paints. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of the paints that I use on the description of this video. And I waited for the second coat to dry and I started to draw a tree. It could be any form of tree, that doesn't have to be curly. You can do it as you like. The idea is to make it super easy and to have fun. You can do it on one side, you can do it on both sides, or on the other side, doesn't matter. And then you start painting the little spider hanging from the tree. This rock is really easy to do. I hope you can make it. If you do, please share your pictures on my Facebook page, Roger Adventures. And this is the rock with the coat of resin. The other rock, I started by blending a little bit of white. I was blending the paint on the rock, and I did the same thing. I waited for the first coat to dry, and then I continued to applying the white. You guys don't have to do it the same way as I'm doing it. Actually, on this rock, because the paint is lighter, I did 3 coats of paint. I let it dry for a couple of minutes and I applied some white and just going around the rock randomly so you can have some texture on the colors and paint. And then I started to draw a black cat. All these pictures and images I got it from online. Is not exactly from one picture. This is a combination of ideas of what I see online. That's how I get my inspiration to paint rocks most of the times, but sometimes I just do it out of my imagination or creation, you can say. And my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks, not only rocks, but on anything, on canvas or wood, stone, whatever you want to do. But the important thing is to have fun, enjoy yourself, give it away if you want. You can sell it if you want. You can do whatever you want with the rock. I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing to my channel and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on my next video. And I painted the hat purple and I painted some stars so the center of the attention can be the hat. And these are the rocks compared to a size of a quarter. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.